Happy World Poetry Day. So today I'm going to do two short poems. One is called Petals and the other one is called Rose. And they're both interrelated. They're about flowers, obviously, and what the flowers have to go through in life, perhaps. Petals. Nipped in the bud, she fell with a thud. Her petals went awry, but she was not sorry. She would just worry, 'cause things just stayed blurry. No matter how much the spectacles were smothered with a clean cloth, the muck remained. Just shifting surfaces, the muck remained. And the gentle petals then rested himself on the soiled cloth. The spectacles lay there recording the spectacle, and that was the end of her story. Now I'm going to read a poem called Rose. It's pretty obvious what it's about actually. Sorry. Here goes. A rose was red, for she had been tricked into being pricked by the thorns that grew from inside it. She had burst at the seams, and she had changed from when she was green, and her cheeks would now gleam like she was in a dream along with Mr. Tree. But nothing was real enough to be read, said, or written. Things were to be hidden, for they were forbidden. The deadline was set, and the red line was crossed, and the petals that glossed with glee soon wanted to flee and turn into a fruit-bearing Mrs. Tree. Rose's roots were diseased. She was displeased, thorned, scorned, and filled with unease. She was a midget in the wilderness full of giant Mr. Trees, full of wild Mr. Bees, buzzing with endless unfulfilled possibilities. She was down, bent on her knees, that bled red into the soil, that the rose which eventually used like rouge to brighten her fading cheek petals and dutifully needle thread her burst seams and pack up all her visions and dreams and retreat into quiet screams and pluck herself raw, petal by petal. Thank you for listening.